Hello, 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲 here. In this video, I want to talk about Bitcoin's correlation with the NASDAQ 100. So I will be the first one to say, damn you, Bitcoin. It's been years before I've had to pull up a chart of the Bitcoin futures, and they used to be the XBT, now they're BTC. But sadly, Bitcoin is moving and influencing the U.S. stock market, specifically risk-on growth stock. So let's look here at the charts, and we had the good old-fashioned Bitcoin flash crash margin call. My Bitcoin is dead. My accounts blew up. That every 19-year-old loser was saying yesterday. I was going to say another word, but let's keep it PG for YouTube there. And as they got stopped out, as Bitcoin went to about 30,000, and they lost their whole life savings of $2,568, and now they can't even go take their, well, they don't have a girlfriend. They can't even get their Xbox Live subscription renewed. Bitcoin bounced, and we saw that today. Heck, Bitcoin's bounced about 10K off the damn lows, and somehow there's a 200-day moving average on Bitcoin. Wow. But the NASDAQ, you can see yesterday, had a big bounce after being sold really hard, packed back to prior support. And today, the NASDAQ up nearly 2% as crypto was up, and Tom Brady is buying the dip with his laser eyes. Good heavens. So what does that mean for the U.S. stock market and this damn crypto? Well, I'm finally starting to see, and as you can see here, as the NASDAQ took a hit with Bitcoin, and, obviously the damn Bitcoin's been selling off and the damn NASDAQ's been selling off with it. But I'm finally starting to see, thankfully, that the stock market here in the U.S. no longer gives a damn about Bitcoin. And here's what I mean by that. Yes, the NASDAQ has been the most sensitive, but if you look at the S&P 500, I mean, baby, is that any damage to that? Heck no. Not at all. We're right near all-time highs. If you look at the diamonds of the Dow, I mean, we're right there at all-time highs. If you look at the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000 makes up of energies and financials. Energies have been down pretty hard this week, down 4%, so we won't include that. But the NASDAQ has been looking strong with a lot of growth stocks. Very, very strong today, and even your big tech leaders very, very strong today, which is a positive sign in the market. If I pull up my watch list, I have many names with the Qs up 2% that are up big. You had a rotation into clean energy with Canadian Solar. You had your internet software names with Datadog. You had your social media names with Snapchat with their Investor Day. You've had Facebook up. You had my dog 𝗧𝗴𝘀 running hot, TD, the trade desk running hot, JKS Solar, China name, SE, the beast, SE. I don't know why those people sold it off on earnings. Stock up about 20 today. You've even had Tesla and Skills and all the Cathie Woods stocks, bouncing here, and a lot of them starting to move over that 8-day moving average, which is nice to see. Like, plan bouncing right up against the 20-day, moving over the 8-day. See, you're starting to see a lot of nice moves in the internet software space. Now, do I think the NASDAQ is, free to go straight up and we're going to see the biggest chase action of all time? That's hard to say. But I am more bullish than I was on the NASDAQ just a few weeks ago, and specifically, Cathie Wood. You're my only fear of the market, I should say, is Cathie Wood right now, because if she goes down, it's going to drive a lot of her holdings down, right? But I do think we're not going to care so much about the damn Bitcoins anymore, which is really good for the market, because it's no fun when we're, having to look at crypto, and that's going to influence the equity market. Like, get those diamond paper hands out the market. Let the stocks do their own thing. We've already seen the Robinhood darlings of 2020 get their ass kicked, and those players will never come back in trading. I'm looking at DraftKings. I'm looking at Palantir. I'm looking at Skills. I'm looking at CCIV. Listen, I'm sorry, players, but those stocks, they probably ain't coming back. I mean, you're going to have to get something sparking to really get those names back. But I do think the NASDAQ and your solid growth companies, you know, companies that actually have some revenue, should start making a comeback off their lows. You know, your Squares, your Pelotons, your PayPals, your Salesforce. These names are starting to, you know, bounce off prior support, which I do like. So we'll be nimble. Just wanted to give a little market outlook because the damn Bitcoin, and I call it the damn Bitcoin because I don't like following it every day, and I'm waking up at 6 a.m. saying, what is crypto doing? Oh, crypto's down, market's down, and it's just no fun. And if you're right there with me, you know what I'm saying. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. As always, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗵𝗺, and turn on notifications, subscribe, you know, give it a like, thumbs up, share it with a friend. Talk about my Hawaiian shirts and good hair.